I think I'm full here. You still got more in there? Wow, you can really hold some Orbeez.
It's raining Orbeez! Wahoo!
Oh, what?
It hit, it bounced, and then landed in there. That was so cool. Wow, what a beautiful day to be out driving around in the grass. Whoa! Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm Shark Reek, and I'm out for a monster truck ride. Why don't y'all come along and watch me? Oh, what is this? Let's check it out. Wow, look at that. Oh, this feels so good on my tires. What are these? They're little squishy balls all over the place, and they're all super wet. Hey, wait a minute. I think these are Orbeez. Oh, they're so cool. Wow. Whoa, backflip. Totally, dude. All right, come on, let's go. Woohoo. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, this feels so nice. I think I'm just gonna sit here for a while. It's like a spa or something. Ah, this is the life.
I think I'm full here. It looks like it's overflowing.
Okay, let me just do the rest.
A little more? All right. You still got more in there? Wow, you can really hold some Orbeez.
All right, think you're all full, and I'm all out.
All right, let's head out. Got a delivery to a pool. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Oh, right about there. Okay. All right, let's dump it out.
Whoa, what's going on here? Somebody's dumping Orbeez on me. Oh no! What is going? I'm stuck. Oh man. Oh, I got free finally. Wow, something just dumped Orbeez all over me. Hey, it was that dump truck over there. I guess they're filling up this pool even more. Wow. Oh, this feels so awesome. Look, backflip in the Orbeez. Oh, hey, what's this? Check this out. It looks like there's something that floated to the top of the pool here. I'm gonna clear it away with my monster truck tires. Hey, what's this? It looks like another monster truck, you guys. Whoa! It looks like a shark too, just like me. Wow! It's Tiger Shark! It's my cousin! You need help out of there, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get you out of there. All right, here I go. I'm gonna chew on the outside. I got it open. Oh, it's raining Orbeez. Somebody's throwing Orbeez all over us. I got you, cousin. Come on. There you go. It's raining Orbeez. Wahoo! So what's up, cousin? What you been doing in that box, man?
Well, I was eating Orbeez, then the mean storekeeper
You were eating
come and got me.
Orbeez?
Yeah.
Oh, let me try some. Bleh. Oh, that's gross. I don't think we should eat Orbeez. It doesn't seem like it's safe.
They taste
They
good.
do look yummy, though. Oh, you like them?
Yeah, my teeth can just
Tiger
pop
Shark
them.
likes Orbeez, huh?
Look, not to swallow, just the taste.
Wow.
I just like to eat them because I can slice them.
Oh, okay. Maybe
See?
I'll try that.
See, I can just.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You can just slice them on your teeth. I sliced one in half right there. Look at that. Oh, hey, you want to do some tricks inside of the pool?
Yeah,
Come on, ready? Whoa. Oh!
I bet I can do way better than that. A quadruple backflip.
Let's see it.
No, 5.
Wow! That's so cool. Hey, you landed on your wheels? Wow! Oh, that was on your back. Oh, on your wheels! Oh, 3. Oh, no. Nope. Oh, 5.
Just 7.
I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, so look, we made a ramp with the dump truck and the cardboard so you can make it all the way to the pool.
Oh, he landed on his wheel.
Oh, wow. That is a really cool monster truck. Wait, let's have a look at this monster truck. This is the coolest, man. It looks just like a tiger. Okay, ready? Oh, oh, what? It hit, it bounced, and then landed in there. That was so
like
cool.
This. It was like this, Daddy, or something like this.
Uh-huh. And then bounced right in. That was awesome. Let me try it. Look out. Ready? Oh, oh, and landed on his wheels too. Okay. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Go. Oh, nice. It did. Hey, Tiger Shark, you want to get our friends so they can ramp into the pool?
Okay.
Oh, landed on wheels. Okay, everyone, we got our friends together now. This is Team Shark Creek. We got Megalodon, we got Monster Mutt Rottweiler, and the old school Gravedigger. And on Team Tiger Shark, we have...
Pirate's Curse, Alien Invasion, and Exterminator.
Exterminator. Look, this is the original Exterminator, you guys. Look at all the scratches on it.
Me versus Shark Creek first.
All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh! I landed in, but Axel went past and landed on
Look, this is what he did like 10 times.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we'll say that counts for 1 point. All right, next up is Megalodon. Are you ready, Megalodon? Oh yeah! Who's gonna face me, huh?
Me.
Oh, Exterminator, haha. Let's do it, come on. Ready, steady, go! Oh, neither of them made it into
But
the pool.
I got further, so I
You got
did.
farther? Nah, no points. Unless they land on their wheels.
Next up is me, the Rottweiler. Monster Mutt, haha.
Not me.
Who's facing me? Alien Invasion? Let's see it. Ready? Steady, go!
Oh, Rottweiler made it in. Last but not least, it's the Gravedigger versus the Pirate's Curse. All right. Oh, he's got a sword.
Ah, stop trying to pop my tires.
Come on. Ready? Steady. Go! Oh, he almost bounced in. The guy very close.
Wait, let me try
Oh,
something
he's trying to
again.
flip it in. Let's see
Where I'm
it.
at?
Try it. Double flip. Oh, he landed on his wheels. That was awesome.
Wait, the dump truck down.
Okay, okay, flip it. Oh, try it again. That was so cool. Oh, he almost flipped backwards. It's like a gainer. Ready?
Wait.
The other way? Do the other way.
Oh, it worked. That was cool.
Look at this.
He pulled it. That was awesome. So monster trucks in Orbeez, this is pretty, ow. This is pretty sweet. I really like it. They bounce really well. Bonk. All right, well, we've had a lot of fun with these monster trucks in Orbeez, and you guys can have a lot of fun too. Maybe if you have a little kiddie pool, you can put a few Orbeez in it. It can be kind of annoying though, because then you end up with all these Orbeez all over the grass and stuff. So anyways, probably just a one-time thing for us.
And if the thief, it was good because if someone stole them,
Uh-huh.
what would happen?
There would be, if somebody tried to steal, there'd be a trail of Orbeez. We know it would lead right to the thief, the Orbeez thief. All right, remember, until next time, we love you guys. We think you're awesome. And we are so glad you joined us on today's monster truck adventure. We'll see you later. Bye.